No such thing as risk-free sex. Condoms break, they tear, they have holes in them, they have a failure rate of about 14%.
This is an audio clip from a lecture Hillsboro High School students heard earlier this month.
I just got some information last week from the Department of Health and Human Services. There's a new STD that they're saying is going to be the new AIDS. It's deadly and it's fast.
The lecture was given by Beth Cox of Decisions, Choices, and Options. The organization teaches sex ed in 53 Middle Tennessee high schools.
We always make sure every year to make sure we check all of our facts and that we go by state curriculum.
In looking at that curriculum, I thought this is probably not the best way to get the desired effect because it utilized scare tactics.
Dr. Mary Romano of Vanderbilt Pediatrics says the curriculum exaggerates facts.
There does appear to be a strain of gonorrhea that is becoming progressively more resistant to the antibiotics we use, and eventually we'll run out of antibiotics that we can use to treat it, so it could be an infection that would potentially be very hard, unlikely, but I guess potentially could be impossible to get rid of. Was it incorrect? No. Is it really the whole balanced truth? Not really.
Romano is also critical because protection for sexually active teens isn't addressed, but instructors say state law restricts what they can tell students.
According to our new state law that was passed last July, that states that Tennessee's public schools are to be an abstinence-based sexuality education program, and we have been doing this since 2002.
The goal is to keep teens from becoming sexually active. I think, unfortunately, when you look at abstinence-only education, that's the only goal. You have to look at sort of the broader issue.